Hi, this is a fix for radiator fan that continues to run after the engine is switched off. At times you will get back to your car after it's been switched off for a few hours or even overnight, and as soon as you open the driver's side door, the fan will start running again. Eventually it'll drain your battery. So we're looking for the fan control unit. To access that, you gotta remove that top cover just above the front bumper. It's just 8 plastic screws. Need a small flathead screwdriver to wedge the clips up, and then just remove them quite easily. Slide the cover forward. You will then have access to the area where the fan control unit is. We are looking at item number 6 on the diagram, the fan control unit. And to get access to it, you need to remove the plastic cover with the same small flathead screwdriver. Slide it underneath, pull it to the side, and it'll come off easily. You then need to remove the one screw on the top left hand side of the unit. It is just the one screw holding the unit together, or in place rather. Ours was a little bit loose, so that may have been part of the issue, who knows. But what we've done is we've cleaned the unit with the silicone spray. To have good access to it, remove the cables that are attached to it. Just again with the same small screwdriver, push it in there and lift up a small tab on both units or cables. Clips have the same thing, the same system. So you pull them up and pull them out. And we also gave it a silicone spray on the contacts inside the fan control unit. Spray around the coils and just give it a good clean. It was quite dirty, dust, that sort of stuff. Yes, and we also cleaned all the connectors inside there with the same silicone spray, and yeah, it turned out quite good, clean, nice and shiny. We then replaced it, of course, put it back together, and ran the car. As soon as we switched on the car, all sorts of errors were thrown up on the screen, so kind of stressed out for a little bit, but switched off the car, switched it back on after say 60 seconds or so, and eventually those errors or alarms disappeared. It's been 3 days since the fix, and it's now still working just fine. So I hope you have success. Good luck, and see you next time. Cheers. Bye bye.